You don't deserve one.
What's up?
Why?
We're doing Animal Company today.
No, means no.
No, I did not just start. And no, I don't own this backpack. Yes,
No, this guy's asking me for
I don't own it.
and I said no.
I don't own this backpack.
Bro, no.
I do own
Bro,
grapplers.
bro.
I do own this. Well, of course I own it.
Does anybody know anything about new
I spent
codes?
$30 on a
Do you know
pack
anything about
just to get. I spent $30 on this game already. So subscribe, please, because I got in trouble with my mom. So I used my money, and she's arguing with me over it, which makes no goddamn sense. Also, my dad's credit card is connected with it, but I disconnected my dad's credit card from this, from the whole headset.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, I'm making a video. Well, I said it doesn't even want me. Okay, forget. Okay, so today we're just gonna check out mines.
Hey, bro, let me join you. Okay?
Yeah, this guy's joining me and stuff. Okay, so yes, I'm kind of broke. Well, not kind of. Hey, bro, I do got some money. You know, I got a lot of money. That's why I have.
Everybody, make sure to like and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Listen to this guy. Also, if you're wondering, okay, my name is also Prince Pablo in this game. If you've seen the name tag on the thing, we're just gonna go mining in sewers. We don't have a flashlight.
Hey, bro, hold up. I will go get one.
Can somebody do
No.
revolver sewers run with me?
No.
A revolver.
Okay, so the good thing is I don't need to go up those ropes that I have a hard time kind of getting off of in mines, which is good. I finally got a skin. Dude, I used to be just a plain blue gorilla. I do have skins, and I have one cosmetic. I have like a lot of skins though. Well, I don't have a lot. I only have like 5. I bought the goat back. That's.
I got a loaded revolver. I'm coming.
I'm back. Right here.
What's that? Flashlight?
Yep, right here.
I got a loaded revolver. I'm coming down the sewers.
Oh, you have it on your back. That on the thing. Okay, that's good. I thank God he has attached to him, which is good, so we don't need to carry it, and he can mine too.
Someone
Bro, where are you? Oh, you're over here.
More revolver.
Okay, bro.
I'm gonna follow the light that you have.
After this trip.
Don't mind those. Those are just bad. I don't want to one.
Where do you want to go in mines? Do you want to go to like the Angler? Do you want to go to the Armstrongs or like the Mimics?
I might want to go to want to mine this crystal.
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
I might want to go to Danger. I might want to go. I want to go to Planetarium.
Bring revolver and I'll
Planetarium.
I'm gonna go mine this gold for a second.
All right. I'm just trying to see. Remember.
Is it?
Wait, hold on. There's gold.
Yeah, bro. I just saw that. Isn't it? I'm pretty sure it's on the second to last floor.
Yeah.
Big booty bomb. It's a big booty bomb.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, it's on this floor. It's in that door. Yeah. It's in that door. It's in that door. Right? No, it's right there, I think. I think it's in one of those blue
Oh, it's in here. It's in here. It's in here. Follow me. It's in here. I remember. Oh crap. Never mind.
Okay, kill that guy. There you know. We gotta go.
No, never mind. It's not this way. I forgot.
It's over here, I think.
Cluster grenade. Okay. It's the other way.
It's over here.
Other side.
Yeah, over here, right?
Hold
yeah.
on. I don't think it's that way.
Yo, come on.
Where? Did you find it?
No, not yet. Are you outside of here? Oh, you're right there.
Up here.
Try in here. I remember it's like where something where.
I'm coming back. I
With a
have a
blue
flashlight.
Yeah, I think this is it.
Okay.
Dude, I think we need a teleportation bomb. I think we need a teleportation bomb.
Where the hole is.
Do you
so
need a
we do
teleportation
that.
bomb to get in there?
Okay.
Yes or no?
What, teleportation bomb?
Yeah, to get in there?
Hold up, let's just go this way. Let's just go this way.
I'm trying.
There's two!
There's... Oh, not red one. That's not a red one. Oh, red one, where red one?
Oh, crap!
Which way? This way?
I think... Bro,
No, this way then.
I actually...
If this was a dead end, that must mean that it's that way.
Yeah, it's above. It's higher up.
Oh, I didn't know that. That was on the
It's
second box.
one... I think it's just one place higher up. Yeah. Up here.
Oh, I'm coming. Coming.
You found it?
No, I didn't find it.
Oh,
Not
right
yet.
here, I think. Oh, yeah, it's over here. There's an angler.
Angler. Turn off the light. Turn off your light. Turn off your light.
Hold up. I'm gonna get... Oh my god! I killed him.
Okay, let's go. In here. In here, right?
RPG!
I'm back.
Oh, you got one? Oh,
Alright.
oh, okay.
Okay, and then it's this way.
This way, over here.
Never mind, it's straight. Never mind.
Straight. Okay, yeah, that's kind of.
Not that way?
Let's try
Bro,
this
I'm
way.
just hitting every
Yo, over
single
here,
dead
over here.
end.
Oh yeah, you're going dead end.
Oh my gosh, bro.
We're going in circle. We're going in circle.
Why is this so weird?
Also, if you're wondering why I'm not mining, I'm just waiting until we get to planetarium because then I'm gonna get the mushrooms. Didn't you already check that way? Yeah, you already did.
Bro, you should probably pause the video because this is gonna take a while. Oh my god. Hell no.
Yo, sorry that I keep running and stuff. Oh, you died.
I'm not dead. I
Oh,
killed
you're
him.
not? Oh, I thought you did. Should we try that door? The other door? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, I know it's a door for blue light. That's what I know. That end.
Oh, maybe it's over here then.
Is this the way that we came?
Hold up.
That's a mimic.
Oh, purple.
Just mine.
Oh no, I'll help. Wait, who got mad? Oh, yeah. Come on, bro. Oh, no, I'm cooked. Come on, bro. Oh, no.
Are you good? Okay, I'm coming.
I killed him. Okay. Make sure not to mind that green thing because that sends you back home.
Yeah, I know.
I think we are supposed to go straight. So, we go this way maybe?
Okay, I got company. Oh crap. Safe. I got wood watch.
Yo, I got a research point. Let's go. Huh.
I got. Yeah, same here. I got a research point. I'm almost at 5 research points.
I'm at 2. But I don't like.
I might buy another thing of research points. May or may not. Because
I think they might have changed this.
I'm pretty sure it's at the
Maybe-
bottom floor. Yo, we didn't check. Yo, where are you? Dude,
Oh, you found it?
no, I think it's at the bottom floor. We didn't go there yet. Here? No, that's not it.
Wait, hold up. What is down here?
Not in there. Not in there.
It's dead ends everywhere.
Not in here. Up here, check. We didn't check one door. There's one door we didn't check up here. It's the door at the cage. That's not it. It's this door over here. Yep. It's this door over here. Yo, it's this door over here. This door over here, maybe.
Wait, where are you? I hear you, I hear you, I hear you.
Right here, right here. I think it might be this door. We didn't check this yet.
There's a mimic.
Right, this
Who's dying?
Yo, I think this is it.
Oh,
Yeah, where are you?
You found... Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, this might be it. That might be it. Yeah, I seen in a video when someone was traveling here. They didn't come across one of these structures.
Wait, it's not us? How did I get another
I can't see.
research point?
Yo, I can't see anything. Where are you? Oh, I see the light. Okay.
It's what? Where is it?
I don't know, honestly. Does it not spawn sometimes? Is that sometimes what happens? Oh, I thought this had.
I have no idea. Ah!
I thought there was way more items than 56. Alright. Hold on,
Bro!
Over here, dude. Yo, over here. Down here. Just don't touch that mimic. Go. Yo, I'm getting hit.
Oh, I found it!
You did? You found it? You found
Yeah.
it? Oh, okay, great. Okay, let's go. Go in. Okay, I gotta end the video soon, guys.
Bro, this mimic is getting juked.
I'm coming.
It's so beautiful.
No! Yo, chat, I almost fell. Chat.
I don't even have a backpack on.
Yo, chat, we made it to planetarium.
Where are you? Where?
Right here. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go over to this planet. No, not that. The sun. This. Hold up. Let's go! 5 research points. Let's go! Another 6.
Yo, I just saw something I glitched out the map.
Another 7.
I'm slowly floating away, bro. I don't know where I am.
Yo, I just made a break jump.
I don't know what to do. I'm floating around and I can't do anything.
Yo, I just struck it down the fall.
Okay, we're about to go over to the marine planet, and then I'll mine the thing to go back home. Yeah, we're gonna go to the Grand Planet now.
I can't do anything.
And we're gonna collect some small. Actually, no. Why would we need small mushrooms? Seriously, who would need them? Bro, I thought you mined it. Are you? How do you eat them? I thought you eat it. That you eat it. Yeah, I'm floating around in space. Okay, usually when it's sometimes Thursday. Okay, so I'm gonna let go of this Raveler. And we're just gonna like mine, you know. Actually, I don't know why I'm mining. You know, I just need to get home because I need this. No, I can get the country backpack right because I have 7 gems and I'll be left with 2. Honestly, I just need a... Okay, so guys, we're gonna end the video here.